trying to go home as a female in New York City.
Ladies, join me for the Civilian Protector Project to learn how to live a safer pattern of life. The world can be a very dangerous place, and personal protection has so much more to do with your level of physical potency. 90% of it is soft skill centric. Has this lady thought about the context of where she's going? How prepared is she to go into the situation she has to go into every single day? We know that 80% of attacks happen in transitional spaces. This means from your car to your front door, from the front door of your office to the front door of your home, while you're in transition on a micro and macro level. But do you understand how to navigate these environments safely? Do you understand behavioral profiling? So you can understand if someone is actually planning to physically do something to you, or if they're just attracted to you. So you can understand people's intentions through their body language, right? Are you physically prepared? Do you have force multipliers on you in places that are accessible? Do you know how to use those force multipliers or tools or less lethal options to protect yourself? Do you understand how to use social dynamics to your advantage, how to leverage the other people in your environment to come to your rescue or to make you a harder target? Do you understand how to be a hard target in the first place? Do you understand where to set yourself up in that environment, where the safest places in that subway would be to keep yourself safe? Can you see threats coming before they materialize? And can you move through the world in such a way that keeps you out of harm's way so that you avoid 90% of dangerous outcomes without even having to physically be involved in them? This is what the Civilian Protector Project is about. We'll do for men and women and civilians and working professionals in the private security industry. You can learn from the best in the game, including myself, the techniques and tactics and principles associated with living a safe pattern of life. And if things do get physical, you'll learn the skills you need to protect yourself and your family and your loved ones in those instances as well. So join me at Protect Your Nation for the Civilian Protector Project. Get the education you need to live a safe pattern of life from the comfort of your own home. And then if you really want to go the distance, join us for some in-person training.
Boom! It's finally here. Go to protectornation.com to join the Protector Nation community. Learn online and become part of our Protector Nation family. I look forward to seeing you guys there, and for us all to join forces to make the world a safer place by helping good people to become more dangerous. I'll see you there, and until then, be peaceful but not harmless.